Okay, Jack, so paper 2 so far, 30 in the first, 55 in the second. So we are improving. Let's see if we can keep that improvement going towards that grade C for you. Right, that is wrong, because what you're saying there is that that's actually less than 1 penny. You've either got to say that or that. But what you've done there is not right. So the method you used is right, but the way that you've written it is wrong. So you need to be careful with that. That is correct. Well done. That is correct as well. So 4, 8, 9 for the page. Right, that is perpendicular to the page. It's not perpendicular to the line. So what you have to do there is make sure that it lines up at right angles. And the easiest thing to do is to take one of these lines off your ruler and line that up with what they want you to draw and mark it like that. So yours is wrong. That is a trapezium though. Well done. 1265 is correct. You should be able to deal with that, so take a look at my solution and make sure that you can get your head around it. That's good. That's good. This one is not right with you because you haven't used the formula. First of all, put the information into the formula. So the cost, you know, is 1330. That's going to equal 36 lots of 35 plus the deposit. So then you work out what that is. .36 times 35 is 1260. And then to get the D on its own, you have to undo the add 1260, which means you're going to take away 1260. So D equals £70. Lines of symmetry on that shape. Well, you've got one line of symmetry which will take you down there, and then you've got another line of symmetry which goes through the centre that way. So that's what you're looking for there. That is correct. That is correct. 4, 6, 8, 10 for the page. Obtuse is correct. I put a tracing paper for this one. Okay, so your angle is wrong. If you look, you've drawn your angle bigger than mine. Yours is about 64 degrees. However, your 9 centimeters is also a little bit out as well. It's not 9 centimeters. So you lose those 2 marks. You need to label that as P, but you will get 1 mark because you have completed the triangle. Marks for that. 34 is correct. This is wrong because the largest number isn't 45, it is 52. So rushing, you lose that mark. So 8 for that page. 1.6, 10 is a good estimate, so that's 4 marks. With this one, that is right. But that is wrong. You don't put it back into that form. It's just you've replaced the letters with their values. So that's going to be 24 plus 12, which is 36. So you get 1 mark for substituting in, but then you lose the mark from there. Those are right, and those are right. 5, 9 on that page. 29 out of 50 is correct. That's wrong. Now, we've looked at tables like this in class recently. May have been when you were away actually. What you need to do is look at that column and make sure you understand what that information is telling you. What it's telling you is that there are 12 bags of sweets which each have 24 sweets in. So to work out the total, just in that column alone, you've got 24 lots of 12. which is 288. You have to do the same with each of those and then add them together to get the total. That's correct. Good. So this is work that we were doing this week. Lovely. 4 easy marks. Eight centimeters is correct. 40.8 is correct. That angle is fine, I think. Yeah, it's a little bit out, but within what they'll accept. But you need to measure down 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters down that line takes you to there. Okay, so you haven't gone down far enough. So you only get one of the 2 marks there. Utility bills we will be practicing. I'm sure you would have practiced those for the higher tier as well, but it is something that we'll come back to. So 40 litres you need to times by 0.98, and you can't then subtract these because that's in pounds and that's in euros, so you've made mistakes all the way through that. 10, 7, 5, 15 is good. 7n add 1 is good. That's not right with you. What you have to do there is just replace for the first one n with 1. So you've got 1 squared add 3. 1 times 1 is 1, add 3 is 4. Then n is 2. 2 squared add 3. 2 squared is 4, add 3 is 7. And then replace the n with a 3. So 3 squared is 9, add 3 is 12. 6 for the page. That's not right. Take a look at my solution. I will go through that one in class. Again, probably when you were absent, we practiced that, but again, that is something you definitely would have done in the higher tier. Take a look at my solution. 0.5, too small. 0.6 is too small. 0.7 is too big. Right, what you should be doing there is 0.65, not 0.69, to go halfway between. So your last bit there is not the method you need to use. Okay, once you know it's between 0.6 and 0.7, you go halfway between, which is 0.65. If that comes out to be too small, the answer is nearest to 0.7. Okay. Total for the page. 9, sorry for the paper, 9, 11, 21, 29, 38, 44, 48, 54, 56. So that's a D, 9 marks off a C, and it is still an improvement. Only just though, you improvement and slow down. That's 1 mark better than last time.